Ever wondered how to whip up a delicious diabetes-friendly smoothie right in the comfort of your own kitchen? Well, wonder no more. Today, we dive into the world of tasty, nutritious, and, most importantly, blood sugar-friendly smoothie recipes. First up, we have the Green Goddess Smoothie. This emerald delight is packed with leafy green goodness. Gather up 2 cups of raw spinach, a ripe avocado, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a handful of ice. Start by blending the spinach and almond milk until the mixture is smooth. Then, add the avocado and ice. Blend until creamy. This smoothie is a powerhouse of fiber, healthy fats, and vitamins, all of which are excellent for stabilizing blood sugar levels. Next in line is the Berry Blast Smoothie. This antioxidant-rich delight requires 1 cup of mixed berries, preferably blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a handful of ice. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and velvety. Berries are packed with antioxidants, and the Greek yogurt provides a protein punch, helping to balance blood sugar levels. Our third recipe is the Chia Chocolate Smoothie. Gather 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a handful of ice. First, soak the chia seeds in the almond milk for about 20 minutes. Then add the cocoa powder and ice before blending until smooth. This smoothie is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids from the chia seeds and antioxidants from the cocoa powder. Finally, we have the Cinnamon Spice Smoothie. You'll need 1 small banana, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a handful of ice. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. Cinnamon is known for its blood sugar lowering properties, and bananas provide necessary potassium. In summary, these 4 smoothie recipes are not only delicious but also diabetes friendly. They are rich in fiber, antioxidants, healthy fats, and protein, all of which help to balance and stabilize blood sugar levels. When preparing these smoothies, remember to use unsweetened almond milk to keep the sugar content low. Also, using ripe fruits will naturally sweeten the smoothies without the need for added sugars. Soaking ingredients like chia seeds beforehand can make blending easier and improve the smoothie's texture. Lastly, feel free to play around with the recipes and add other diabetes-friendly ingredients you enjoy. So there you have it, 4 delectable diabetes-friendly smoothie recipes that you can easily prepare at home. Each one is brimming with nutrients that not only satisfy your taste buds, but also keep your blood sugar levels in check. Now go on and give these recipes a try. Your taste buds and your health will thank you. Until next time, happy blending.